Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Voyager LXi. You can see with either key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the power rear trunk hatch. This is a rear entry bronability wheelchair accessible conversion, and as you can see we got the lever here we have to lift, and we got to pull this at the same time. So I need two hands, so I'm going to kind of put your cock on there. Alright, I'm back. What I do is grab, once I've done that, grab the handle, just walk straight backwards. Got this bifold ramp on it. It's extra long, gives you easy clearance to get inside the van. 34-inch wide ramp, 56 inches coming inside the van, then about 55 once you're inside the van. 800-pound weight capacity, and what I like about these rear entries, if someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you can't get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry also have more ground clearance to get over rougher terrain, including like snow drifts this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert. So a few of the reasons I prefer the rear entry over the side entry, but we sell both. So if you're looking for a side entry, give me a call. As far as I got the little spare tire back in here on the van, you can see it back in there, got your pump and everything. Shut that down, got your Q-straight tie downs, and what we can also do is got our flip base seats here. What these do, we got to put them down. So if I can get it to pull here, folds down, and then underneath these, so you got a little lever right there. We got to put a little pressure down on the seat and then lift straight up. All right, the seat belt was on it, so you got to have the seat belt off. My guys always just plug them in to show they work. All right, we'll try this again. Push that straight up. They flip up. Both of them can do that. Can flip completely out of the way. To get them back down, just lift the lever here, push them back down. In a matter of seconds, you can have the seats up or down. All right, and got a nice center console up front. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road and you can sync your phone. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. Got your cup holders there, and then you can shut all the power doors up here if you choose. So when you got everybody secure, just exit the vehicle, come back out. Again, just lift it up, latch it back into place, and then you can shut the trunk with that button there. Alright, so quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the back, got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling, got your alloy wheels. These tires are like brand new, so tons of tread left on the tires. It's a great feature there. Look at that. New meats on the tire. So as I do a walk around the vehicle, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this. I'm not going to sit here and say it's perfect. I see a little bit of, say, maybe some scuffing right there. Maybe someone bumped something. So I'm not sitting here representing it as a perfect vehicle. But like all of our vehicles, it's very clean, very well taken care of, clean title. I'll show you the Carfax here in just a minute. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number sticker. Why I say video, not picture, video. See a little scuff? I'm going to have my detailer, he must have missed that. He can get that out. So we'll see if we can get that taken care of. But my VIN number here, make sure you get a video of this. What a lot of people are doing online, that they post a picture with a VIN number, and they try and sell you a vehicle and get a deposit from you. And when you make the deposit, they disappear off the face of the earth. They're selling a vehicle they don't even have. So this video means this vehicle's here with me. I got it with me. No scam going on here. Don't get scammed. Okay, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles, you can see just one owner, no accidents or damage, regular oil changes, last owned as a commercial vehicle back in salt rust free Texas. Doesn't get much better than that. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents, regular oil changes. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no open recalls, and it shows this vehicle went into service 3/15 of 2022. So it meets the specs to be under the full power or the full bumper-to-bumper warranty from Chrysler until March 15th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first, and meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler Dodge until March 15th, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And those conversions come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile conversion as protection as well. So even if it went in this, the conversion was put on March 15th, 2022, you still got some time left on the conversion warranty specs as well. So no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,439 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. And also, no matter who you do business with, find them on Google, check out the reviews and ratings. And also, very important, make sure they are a real company, that you're not getting scammed, sending your money to someone posing as a dealer. Boom, they're gone off the internet as soon as they get your money. So look that up. Look up our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people do all the time. They tell me how they bought off Craigslist or Facebook for a private individual they knew nothing about. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. Or they end up buying a complete lemon. Folks, I promise you, these scammers, they do this for a living. They know what they're doing. Buying from a private individual is very risky. Or they talk to me about buying from a dealer they bought from, and I look up those dealers online. They got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. You know, they end up buying a van with a salvage title they didn't know about, or flood damage they weren't told about, or bad mechanical issues, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, you go ahead and buy from those people. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to your phone call. Another great feature about this van, when the doors are locked, you hit that remote start button. It'll honk at you twice. It'll fire right up. So whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's this time of year, it's wintertime, and you want to come out to defrosted windows, a nice heated up van, that remote start is a blessing. So another thing I like about this van is you got the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or maybe your purse, you just get in the van. You don't have to fish it out. You put your foot on the brake, push the push button start there, and the van officially fires up. You can see 22,510 miles, no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, there's no dummy lights on. Like I mentioned, we got our backup camera there. And I've got, if you want to use this for commercial use, you can turn the buttons off. That turns the power doors off. So you can quickly and easily open and shut these doors. Let me get the seat put up real quick so you can see it. Nice clean back seats. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. And you got your rear air controls there. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Just a nice, clean, very well taken care of van. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those working right now. We've also tested the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. Check the tires, taking on a road test, and much more. My point is, hope you can tell by our videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. They don't get a car washed and go on the lot like a lot of dealerships do. This inspected very thorough in our huge warehouse. As I pop the hood here, you can see under the hood 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks, no signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks clean in the pictures, they assume because it has low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it's never been in a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not do that. And what I do want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I'm sending you to the competition. Bring it on. What I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? Do they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to going the extra mile, so you know exactly what you're getting, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening? If you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from a flood or from an accident, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Sorry, the phone rang. So like I said, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. If they're going to ask you to spend $50,000 or $60,000 on a vehicle sight unseen, other than this, tell them to get out there and make you a detailed video. Put their heart and soul into it like I do every single video. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports. I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and I want you to know what you're getting. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their warranty, check out their reviews, know who you're buying from. Okay, you have as a buyer, you have the responsibility to check out who you're buying from. Smart people don't get scammed. You're smart. Find out who you're buying from, and then last, demand a warranty. Our van comes with the mentioned bumper-to-bumper warranty specs, the conversion warranty. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our products. We make sure they do come with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. If traffic permits, I'll zip it up to about 70 miles an hour here so you can see it go. Got our steering wheels nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Here's our little runway we got. All right. Yeah, it runs and drives like a brand new van. 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. And like I mentioned, we do have the specs for the factory warranty remaining on this van. We do sell long-term warranties. They go as far as 8 years that protect the vehicle, like a bumper-to-bumper factory type. Or if you're going to use this for transportation, you're going to put a lot of miles on it. We got warranties that go out to 120,000 miles. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got a document fee, they got a tag fee, they got freight, you name it. They got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, the price they got you to call them, jumps to $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional cost to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issue? You know, I don't know. I just know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. Excuse me. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you call in and you get that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, reach out to me, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, we thank you for hanging in there. We would really appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up on YouTube. That will help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see our upcoming inventory videos. And if you ever do want to come in, please, please, please make that appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm doing this, sometimes I'm at auction, sometimes I've already got appointments set. So we're happy to spend some time with you, but you have to make an appointment with us, okay? And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, no hidden fees, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough, mobility dealership in the country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Call us today.